I'm Graham Guest and I'm Principal and CEO of Telford College. I did an electrical engineering apprenticeship way back in 1979.
Hi, my name's Gavin Rio. I did a level 4 management apprenticeship and now I'm a teacher of business here at the college.
Hi, I'm Mark. I did a mechanical engineering apprenticeship. I now work for Telford College as an engineering assessor.
Hi there, my name is Richard Joyce and I did an apprenticeship in painting and decorating and the construction environment. I am the learner manager for automotive and construction here at Telford College.
Hi, my name's Andy Dowdall. I've completed the Level 3 Leadership and Management Apprenticeship. I'm now the Marketing Manager here at Telford College.
My name's Laura Ascott. I did an apprenticeship in accounting and now I'm the Director of Finance at Telford College.
Hi, I'm Becky Bosworth. My apprenticeship was in travel and tourism and I'm now the Employer Engagement Manager here at Telford College.